In this lecture, we'll discuss about the second quadrant or class B chopper. In the case of a class B chopper, the circuit parameters like V0 and I0 will occur in the second quadrant of V0 I0 diagram. That is, V0 remains positive and I0 is negative. So this chopper is also called as a step-up chopper with RL load. And the load must contain a DC source E, like a battery, or a DC motor can be used as a loader. So this is a schematic diagram for a second quadrant or type B chopper. So here Vs is the supply voltage, fixed value of DC voltage, and CH is a semiconductor device. Any one of the semiconductor devices can be used. So, and D is the diode. V0 and I0 are the output voltage, average value of the load voltage and load current respectively. So here in this case V0 remains positive, whereas I0 is negative. So when the current flows from the terminal B to A, then it is considered as a negative direction for the current. So now we'll discuss the principle when the chopper is turned on. So here when the chopper is turned on, the current will start flowing through the device due to the presence of the load EMF. So the current will start flowing from the positive terminal of the load EMF. It will flow through the inductance through the chopper and it completes its path. So now due to this conduction of this chopper, no voltage will appear across the load. So that is V0, output voltage V0 will be equal to 0. So as the current flows through the inductor will store energy. So now in this case, as the current flows from B to A, so this is considered as a negative direction for the current. So now we'll discuss when the chopper is turned off. So when the chopper is turned off, the current will start flowing through the device. Now due to the presence of this load inductance, the voltage across the load will be equal to E plus L into di by dt. So this voltage exceeds the source voltage Vs. As a result, the diode will get forward biased and the diode will start conducting. Hence the load current is forced to freewheel through the diode. So again, during this mode also, the load current flows from B to A. So this B to A is considered as a negative direction, and hence the power flows from load to source. That is, power is given by V0 into I0. Here V0 is positive. V0 is equal to E plus L into di by dt, where I0 is considered as negative. So the power flows from load to source, and hence we are obtaining second quadrant operation. So this is a waveform for class B chopper. So here when the chopper is not conducting, okay, when gate current is not given to the chopper, the diode will be conducting. So whenever the diode conducts, the voltage will appear across the load, and once the chopper is turned on, so this conducting chopper will act as a short circuit across the load, and hence no voltage will appear across the load. So now here the I0 is negative, okay, and the cycle will get repeated. So as we have discussed earlier, in this type of chopper, V0 is equal to E into Li by L into di by dt. This is more than the source voltage, and hence it is also called as a step-up chopper. And this configuration is used for regenerative braking of DC motors, and this is also used as a chopper drive for a subway train.